What's going on YouTube? Today I have an exciting product which is the Viture's Pro Cloud Pack. Basically it consists of the glasses, the Pro Neckband, and the controller. Now I've already showcased these glasses in one of my previous videos, so nothing really changed. It's still the same glasses, the same Pro XR glasses. What I'm really more excited about today is the Pro Neckband. Now I've been waiting for this product. I'm really truly been excited for this product. With the glasses themselves, there's really nothing new. Nothing new since I did the review. It's got the diopters, it's got the electrochromic tint, and the speakers and all that stuff. Where the real magic for me is this Pro neckband right here, which I'm gonna disconnect. By the way, the magnetic connection with the Pro neckband into the glasses is much stronger than the magnetic connection from the cable to this, so that is a plus, because I did complain about that in one of my previous videos. I just had to mention that. So once again, the magic is really in this Pro neckband. That's what's really exciting to me. The reason why it's exciting to me is because ever since I tried 3DOF, which is mainly using 3DOF with X-Real's Beam Pro and the Beam, I just cannot go back to a regular fixed display. If the display is stuck in the hair and wherever I move my head and it follows, that's 0DOF. I just can't go back to that. So for me, 3DOF is an absolute must. So to be honest, every time I do a video of a glasses, I basically end up going back to my X-Real or to the Ranio on the PC or to the Vitures on the PC. The problem is I don't want to always have to use my PC to get 3DOF. On the mobile side, you can get 3DOF with a lot of the apps, but then because of DRM limitations, you're not able to watch things like ESPN, Netflix, and stuff like that in 3DOF. X-Real was basically the only option you had if you wanted those 3DOF and have an exceptional experience. Now, this is not Viture's first neckband, as most of you might know. Viture had a prior neckband, which there were some complaints, with fan noise, and it was Android, but it wasn't full on Android like this one. This one is the full on certified Android. It's basically an Android tablet / Android phone without a display around your neck, and your glasses basically act as a display. So I was really excited when Viture announced this, which you can plug your glasses in and you're gonna get 3DOF, which means that you're gonna be able to watch your Netflix, your ESPN, and all kinds of stuff in 3DOF. And on top of that, you're gonna have multi-windows. I always use multi-windows. I am one of those people that I rarely just sit and watch something. I will either be watching a TV show and browsing Amazon or browsing something. I just really like the idea of multi-windows. So when I saw that this thing was going to be capable of it, I immediately, not immediately, I eventually reached out to Viture to collaborate. So this right here is 100% my opinion. This is actually a collaboration with Viture. They provided me with this for free. However, everything I'm saying in this video is 100% my opinion. I was just so excited. I had to reach out to them like, hey, I would love to collaborate. I would like to check out this product. There are some videos about this, but there's just a lot that wasn't answered in those videos, and I wanted to be able to answer it myself. I did watch one of my buddies' video, Eric, which he has actually a very good video, but I really just wanted to try and experiment and see what all this thing is capable of. I wanted to just fully know what this is about, who it's for, how it compares against the X-Real's Beam Pro, and just what can I do with it? Is it worth the price? And boy, what I can tell you is I've been impressed so far. When I first unboxed it and started trying it on, I wasn't quite impressed because I wasn't familiar with the navigation, with navigating the device. But once I got the hang of how to navigate the device, man, I'm loving it so far. The version I have is a 12 gig RAM and a 256 gig memory. There is another version which is the 8 gig RAM and a 128 gig, I believe, of memory. You can get either or, but if you want to be able to have more capabilities and just more fluidity, I would recommend getting the higher version, which is the 12 gig. But if all you can afford is the 8 gig, by all means go with that. So this is a first impression video. This is not really gonna be a review of in-depth what you can do and things like that, like my usual style of videos. I just wanted to quickly tell you about the fact that I got this device and I'm loving it so far. The cloud pack comes with this controller for free. I don't know how long this is gonna last, but this is basically the cloud pack. The cloud pack is the glasses, the controller, and this all for $700. Like that's an incredible. By contrast, look at the Asus Air Vision M1. The glasses alone is $700, and that glasses was not good, but this is amazing. The display, I mean, multi windows. I've been playing around with YouTube and ESPN, YouTube and Netflix, and just a bunch of things. I've been downloading some games, and I am really excited. There's so much to cover in this with these glasses. I'm gonna be showing you guys some of the tips and tricks that I've actually come to discover that I haven't seen in other videos in my next video of this band, the Pro Neckband. But so far with the glasses themselves, there are some things that they need to work on, and there are some things that are gonna be mind-blowing. For example, immerse 3D. Now the AI 2D to 3D conversion is not fully available on this device just yet. You only get 1 minute of it. But on the PC with your Viture glasses, oh my god, immerse 3D is absolutely amazing. It is the best thing on PC right now. Just being able to watch anything in 3D. My entire desktop was in 3D. YouTube 3D, Netflix 3D, ESPN 3D, Windows Explorer 3D. I am crazy about 3D. My TV is a 3D TV, and they don't really sell 3D TVs like that anymore. I have a 65-inch curved 3D, so I am absolutely obsessed with anything 3D. Now, what I would really love is if they can find a way to put 3DoF in the glasses, so that when you're watching 3D, it is in 3DoF. I'm talking too much. Who is this product for? This is for anybody that already has a Viture glasses. Even if your glasses doesn't have the magnetic adapter, the neckband comes with this right here, which actually I could be wrong, but I think it comes with it. If not, you're gonna have to buy it separately, but I believe it comes with it. And this adapter right here allows you to connect your other Viture glasses to this Pro neckband. Now here's a tip. If you have glasses from other companies and you kind of want to slowly transition into Viture because they have amazing software, and you want to slowly just start to transition, this Pro neckband would work with other glasses. Now there are some limitations with that, because with other glasses you're not gonna get a 3DoF that this thing is capable of unless you have the Extra 1. But so with that being said, if you really want this, you can still get it even if you don't have Viture glasses. So eventually when Viture comes out with better glasses, you would already have the device and you can just simply upgrade. But anyways, I have a lot more to cover on these glasses and Pro neckband bundle and controllers. I even found a better way to control the device than this right here. So definitely guys, stay tuned, and thank you to Viture for sending me this product. Once again, everything in this video is 100% my opinion. They are seeing this video at the same time as you guys. Peace.